Welcome to this informational overview of Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that began as a joke but evolved into a significant digital asset. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Dogecoin started in 2013 as a lighthearted joke by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. It was inspired by the viral Doge meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog and aimed to be a fun, accessible alternative to traditional cryptocurrencies. Forked from Litecoin, Dogecoin was designed with an unlimited supply, contrasting with Bitcoin's finite cap, fostering a sense of community and generosity. But then, something unexpected happened. Dogecoin exploded in popularity, transcending its meme origins. This surge was largely fueled by endorsements from influential figures like Elon Musk, whose tweets often sent prices soaring. In 2021, Dogecoin hit all-time highs, driven by retail hype and celebrity backing, capturing global attention. Beyond social media buzz, Dogecoin began achieving significant milestones and real-world adoption. Major companies like AMC Theaters started accepting Doge for payments, expanding its utility beyond mere tipping. The Dogecoin Foundation also engaged in charitable initiatives, demonstrating the community's philanthropic spirit. Integrations with platforms like BitPay allowed the Dallas Mavericks to accept Dogecoin, further solidifying its presence in mainstream commerce. Today, Dogecoin boasts a massive, dedicated community and a market capitalization in the billions, yet it remains inherently volatile. Its unique blend of meme charm and real-world potential continues to intrigue investors and enthusiasts alike. What's next for this fascinating cryptocurrency? Its future depends on continued evolution and solidifying its real-world applications. Thanks for watching this overview of Dogecoin. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice. Always conduct your own thorough research before making any financial decisions.
For more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.